Pathways and crossings are structures that help people and vehicles move safely from one place to another. A bridge goes over a river, road, railway, or valley, like these examples here. An underpass goes under a road or railway. It allows traffic to pass underneath. A bypass goes around a town or city. It helps traffic avoid the busy city center. A flyover carries traffic over another road. It helps prevent traffic jams. A causeway goes across water or wetlands. It's a road built over the water. A footbridge goes over a road or river for pedestrians. It keeps people safe from traffic. A boardwalk goes along a beach, lake, or wetland. It's a great way to enjoy nature. A viaduct carries a road or railway over a valley or lowland. This subway goes under the road. It's a safe way to cross the street. A ramp goes up to or down from a higher or lower level. This one leads up to the entrance. Thanks for watching. Follow for more English lessons. Keep learning, keep growing.